Raje, arrange marriage you get, you know? You Raje? You get your own wife and you know.
Get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls.
So it's tomorrow is Mother's Day. Tomorrow is Mother's Day. We just want to say Happy Mother's Day to not tomorrow. You're watching this on Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. What is it, Ace? What is it? Can you stop? Come here. Let's talk about it. What's wrong? What's wrong? If you cannot describe what's wrong. So Happy Mother's Day to everybody. Aunt. Everybody that has played a role. I said aunt and then I stopped. Aunt, stepmom, sisters. Anybody that has played a role in raising, taking care of a child. Happy Mother's Day to you. A mother does not necessarily mean that your body has to go through the trauma of bearing a child. But Happy Mother's Day to everybody that has played a role in taking care of a child. You are a mother, and for all the wonderful mothers out there, want to just big up on yourself, everybody that has been making extreme sacrifices to take care of your children. Just know that we love and appreciate all your sacrifices. My one right here, so now I give me hell. He's having a little bit of a meltdown, but I'm allowing him to process it, as the therapist said. Allow him to process it and go through. No, leave the phone, Ace. Listen, people, it is not. If you have an autistic child, I'm sending you extra hugs today. I'm gonna say, may I send you no extra hugs today, because it is not an easy road. It is not an easy road. It is increasingly difficult, and we're having a new challenge with Ace now, and trust me, it is increasingly difficult. So if you have, you just have to just give me a kiss and make him go on. If you have an autistic child, extra hugs, extra kisses, and you can't get to see a Mother's Day greetings as everybody else. You need a little bit extra. Yes. Can you stop? Can you stop? No, don't do that. Don't do that, Ace. Let me just start my day, because me I wash right now. Stop put some stuff in the machine. Let me just see what the day holds. Let me see what the day holds. I'm so excited. I'm exhausted. Hopefully I can get some rest for Mother's Day. That's the only thing I want, is a rest. Rest for Mother's Day. A break. Father. Don't know. Breakfast time, I said. Breakfast time. Make some breakfast. And me watch my brother and sister Kerry on them vlog same way. Dual. What you call that? I'm multitasking. I'm frying plantain. And I'm watching Dwayne and Kerry. Guys, make sure you subscribe to Dwayne and Kerry vlog channel, not just the prank channel. It's called KD Family, K&D Family. Make sure you subscribe to that, okay? Alright, we're about to see your breakfast here. We got egg.
Thanks. So why you just 3 little slices of bread?
So really you want more than 3 slices of bread? Yeah. One serving size. It's the serving size of bread is 1 slice of bread.
At least I don't want bread.
That's a 1.5. Really? Yeah, get out of hand, now. You know?
Really?
You don't answer.
I don't answer you, man. God, I don't understand.
Listen, Ace, give it to me, Ace. Give it to me. Give it to me. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Come. Here you go, bro. Sit down. My God. We wish we can put something in that plate in that. Just try it. You want to try it? Hey, look how that look nice. You want to try it? Oh my God. Jesus, help. Bro. Guess what? No, me just I think about Raleigh. One time I go come we gonna have back one table where we can sit and eat with my meals. You don't think so? You don't think so life I gonna change for where we can restore everything what we lost so I gonna get restored? You think so? You better talk it like you believe it. Everything what we lose I gonna get restored. Right, Raje? Y'all can be able to eat your meals around a table. And I'm speaking it into being right here.
Certain stuff without vomiting.
And you can eat certain stuff without vomiting. Yes. Well, restoration in my talk. So, alright, so restoration of health. So, good health. Not Jesus. Nobody vomit. Try and hold it. Just sit down. Don't think about it. Just don't think about it. Restoration of health. Restoration of our finances. What else we need? We need God to restore. What else we need God to restore? Restoration of peace of mind. Restoration of good rest. As in your guy, you better you not feel stress and my mind now with everything. Restoration. Yeah. That's the word for today. Restoration. So everything will be restored. Yeah? Yeah, that's the word for today. Restoration. So let's continue to think about what else we would want the Lord to restore. First, may I claim a dining table back. May I claim it back. Everything we will lose, I'm claiming it back. In the mighty name of Jesus. Let's go. May I put you up on the vlog? Come on, Giant. Say hi to the vlog.
Good morning.
Okay, I get them. Jesus. Oh. Thank you. John, look here. Alright.
Don't touch me,
Eh?
Don't touch me.
Where you sighting mango them?
I stand.
You stand?
Yeah.
Oh God, you're so delicate.
Yeah.
That was awesome though. You know what? Guess what? If you have never eat mango with just pick, you don't have a Jamaican card. Your Jamaican card decline. You know that?
So that count if grandma pick a mango from a tree and we eat and we just eat it.
But you don't eat it straight from a tree. You wash it and eat it.
Yeah, come on, I want no parasites or no germs catch me. Nasty.
Excuse me? You're supposed to just pick the mango and eat it straight from the tree. Which parasites and germs you're talking about?
That sound like barbaric living stills.
Barbaric living?
Yeah.
One time Pete used to go a mango bush. Just go hunt mango and just eat mango all day, all night.
See, that one time Pitney, the body like 20th century, that
You know, you're disrespectful. You're disrespectful, you know? You're disrespectful, bad. We don't like this fire. That color you don't fit you. Brother, nothing wrong. You go around the back and you go take you pick two mango off a tree and you just eat the same place. That is the art of living. All Papa, me and my brother, they used to do it with, you know.
I like Papa taste.
Papa, mango, cane.
Papaya, it's not papaya.
This is my problem with you, Raje.
It's papaya.
This is my problem with you.
It's papaya.
I know it says papaya, but you're not going to ever hear me talk and say, oh, the papaya.
So when I say papaya, it sound like you talk like, come here, Papa, come give me a hug. Hey, give me, thank you.
Leave the sugar alone.
Like, come here, Papa, come give kiss. Give kiss, Papa. Thanks, you kiss, Papa. Like that. It sounds like a letter I say.
No, that's not what I'm saying. Anyways, just eat the mango so we don't care about the stain.
But we don't look green.
Yes, I one thing we know with you. You don't do it in your hands if you didn't like mango.
No.
If you didn't like things. First Pitney, soft like a porridge. You see Ace? The man is hardcore, man.
The man is hardcore, man.
Hardcore.
If you bounce Ace will cry.
Liar
If
too.
Ace lick up, Ace will still fall. You see, if Ace lick up himself, he not cry. But if you lick Ace, my ball.
You know what you can eat straight from the tree too? Gooseberry.
Wash it.
No, you know, wash Neesbury just picky and eaty. You know, all its taily glory.
Auntie Antoinette have one tree, but when Daddy did picky, Daddy eat it straight from the tree, not me wash it.
Pay for the parasites.
Parasites and whatever. Well, what fly near it. That's your S1 drive.
Bird shit. Anyways, go back home, go wash my clothes them. It's alright. So, mommy tell you now, the man contact me.
I think I girl last one.
No, I'm so shy girl. Me and the man attack, and the man say,
Yeah.
in daughter, I practice this song for Johnny for 2 weeks now, till she perfect it, so she can perform it. So me I say, okay, and then the man say, ensure that you show Raje this. Show Raje this, show Raje, like he call her name, like she name Amita or something. We can't call her name, because you know her Indian name.
Yeah.
So me I laugh and he might insist me show Raje, you know.
Yeah.
So me I say, Tan, but Raje get arranged marriage and he not reach it. Raje, come on, baby. No, sir. Raje, arranged marriage you get, you know. You Raje? You get your own wife and you're not touching India yet. You're a big bad star, you know. So when they touch India, come on, sit down like the son talk to me. When they touch India, oh, it's a go. Oh, it's a go when they touch India, Raje. If you get your own wife and you're not even reach yet, bro. Talk to me now. Arrange marriage, you boss get it already. The man has sent me video and daughter. 11-year-old daughter.
Which man?
See him Indian man me I tell about, man. Yeah. The man a bus Johnny pan him daughter for early arranged marriage.
So they want something?
Johnny said no. Johnny said no, nobody can't get me married who me no want married, you know. Raje, your future secure.
And if you're man have money. Secure future, boy.
Brother, you're a top man, you know, John. Come here, man. As a top man, how you feel? How you feel there? Brother, let me show you Raje future bride. Let me show you Raje bride. Every time I look at him, I must laugh. Every time I look at him, I start laugh. Raje, when my grandpa never going to see? Ah, he can't. Oh!
Rajesh.
No. Rajesh. Guess someone I want my grandpa name for name Rahul. Like Rahul Javid to play cricket. Bro. Stop laugh hard. That might make your chest hurt. But Raje, big man thing though. Your bride look good there now. How good looking Indian you get, Raje. It could have worse. Could have worse it too. I was so shocked though. Because man continue to talk about in that over and over, you know. So me he just say like alright, first he has a talk about in that. So me nah picture it as not.
Yes.
No
Yes,
man, this a serious
come.
man. Yes.
Your phone come. And don't give him back the phone unless you know.
So the man is like, my daughter, and he called a little girl name. Then he was like, she wanted to sing for Raje because, I told her about him and I showed her a picture of him and da. So I was like, okay, yeah. I was like, oh, they definitely need to meet. I need them to meet or whatever. So he continued to talk about him. I said, I don't know which line this year I go, This is not so unsafe. It was funny though. Yeah. Arranged marriage, then do me love. But see, Raje, I live down in India with the Indian bride. I live down there, Raje. You take an Indian bride, but I live down there.
This is your Asian, me you are going about.
Yeah, it's an Asian bride you want. So if you get an Indian bride, you don't work with it. But you don't want
cool
it arranged.
hair still, no, me like cool hair, cause you see when my hair grow back, I just want
curly.
Yeah. Along. Yeah.
You know what, Jesus? Let me go hang out my clothes.
then just catch up in our ponytail.
I am
And just have
done.
some
I'm
drop off.
done. I'm done.
If you see me drawing